Good afternoon, everybody. We have Apple Computer. You heard what I said. We closed out at 157. Let that be known here and now. But here's the problem. It's printing at 146.10 right now in after hours market. What is today? 1/2/2019, 3:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Mr. Cook is letting everybody know that Apple is giving a warning on its earnings. And we told everybody there was going to be an earning warning season in certain sectors of this economy and goods and services. Let it be known now that you could be involved here and whatnot. So you could see the price is printing at 146.21. And you can see on the 30-minute chart, it closed last print 157.92 pennies. Yep, you heard me. And not only that, we talked about volatility, and we said that that volatility is going to be here. We said that it's an earnings recession, not an economy recession. You know, consumer still has money. But this is what happens. It started October 2018, and it did. Yeah. And not only that, I told you about volatility. The Dow Jones futures are gapping down 323 points right now in after hours. The futures. But guess what? Didn't we tell you about volatility? Didn't we tell you that you didn't have to go through this? If you want to be active in the market, just join. Yeah, you can't do that much, can you? Join and watch it happen. That you know is real. You owe yourself that much now, okay? And these are the futures on the Dow, and they're down 319 points right now in after hours at 3:14 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, that price volatility, we'll talk a little bit more about it. But this is going to be a warning. Apple will probably buy its own stock back. You know, he gave a warning. They're not going to make those earnings, and they're not. And Apple's not the only one, you people. Please live up to listening. Once you do that, you can move forward. Big gap down. Apple, I'll be doing the futures market and everything else shortly thereafter. So basically, we're going to probably have a lot more warnings, as we said, whether it's on a conference call or whatever case it may be and whatnot. So we just want everyone to understand that part of what the January or February, late January, February, first quarterly earnings are going to be coming out. You heard what I said. This is where Apple had come from on a daily chart. And I'm just putting that up here for you right now and whatnot. And then I'll get you all the news you need. The news you need is how to make money. And here's the deal. We're going to gap down. You can see the price. I'm just going to draw a trend line for my friends and whatnot. Remember, we trade the options. You don't have to have no experience. We give out that limit order and exit order. You should start right now. 702-685-0772. Here it is down here. There it was a while back. And on that date, that was on 12/24 when we made that bottom that we're testing right now at 146. It's 146.55 by 146.60. You can see these live prints. You can see them here. You can see them now. And yes, Apple's done this before. However, this is based on lowering growth concerns that should ripple right through the market. And we're going to make a lot of money when they fall like a rock, like they're doing right now. So once again, we're gapping down big. Just call it $10 plus. That's a big move. And it is. But they got a $60 billion repurchase buyback program. What a gimmick that is. Why aren't they producing to not give a warning? Why? Why do they got to buy their own stock back? because they don't want it to keep going lower. Is that it? Oh no. A plus A equals A. Triple A on that one. Nonetheless, it will have a great trading range, my friends. And all of you are my friends for one reason. Um, you need to treat yourself good, and we agree on that. And the other part that we really agree on is you finding the time to see the truth, because you can really verify that when it's happening in front of your face in the live trading room. And we would enjoy having you and letting you see that you can make a lot of money, and you can. And we do all the trade management, not you. So act now. 702-685-0772. Printing that 146.35 pennies in the after hours market with the 157.92 pennies on a closing print right there. That's the last print. So it was up 18 cents on the day at the close. And look at here. All of that money that went in there, 369 million, ask them how they're feeling now. Okay? Earnings recession is here. 2019, we've been telling you forever. Anyway, we do care about you. We don't want to see you become a victim of volatility.